Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to add more than 3 indicators in TradingView. Okay, so if you are a free user, so you have limit to max limit up to adding a 3 indicators in free mode. Okay, if you are a pro or a subscribed user, you are able to unlock the more features like adding more indicators in TradingView chart. So you are set to a 3 maximum number of indicators limit. But there is a many ways that you can do. First one is you can use a built-in indicators, built-in combined indicators. Okay, that provide you multiple features in a single indicators like EMA plus SMA. Okay, here you will see multi-combo. So it calculate one indicator, but it have two indicators features. Same as you can add here RSI plus MA. This is also a combined indicator. Here you will see it combines RSI plus MACD, and last one is a MACD separate. MACD is also a combined indicator that provide a many kind of features in one indicator. Okay, so here is a one strategy. Second one is you can simple use a multiple chart layout. So you can simple here create a multiple chart layout. Okay, or you can here open a trading view another website and then split the screen, and then here you can simple yes split the screen to get the multiple charts and multiple the indicators. Here you can simple small your screen and add here your indicator which one you want. Okay, so here is how you can easily do it. For adding an indicator you can tap this button to do. Goodbye.